Here we are in section 2-point review 1. So section 2, chapter 2, review 1. Number 11. If a parallelogram has an area of 158.9 centimeters squared and a base of 23.2 centimeters, how tall is it? The formula for a parallelogram is area equals base times height. So if we put the area in of 158.9, that equals the base, 23.2, times the height. Solve this thing. We just divide by both sides by 23.2, and we get that the height is 6.85. We are in centimeters. There we go. Good. Find the missing variable for a trapezoid. Number 12. Find the missing variable for a trapezoid. Area is 76 feet squared. The little base we don't know. The height is 4 feet. And, well, let's see what we got over here. So the big base is 23 feet. The height is 4 feet. We don't know what this guy is. And the area is 76. So the formula for that was area equals 1/2 height times big base plus little base. Good. Let's put everything in there and see what we get. 76 equals 1/2 times the height, which is 4, times big B plus little b. Let's solve this thing. 1/2 times 4, that's really just a 2. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Oh, the big B, we forgot to put that in. That's a 23. So divide by 2 and we get 38 equals 23 plus the little base. We just divided this 2 off and divided by 2 over there. Subtract 23 and we get little b is 15. Looks like we are in feet. Little b is 15 feet. Number 13. Try to get these two letters together. 7p minus 7p. And we get 12 equals 12. That always happens, so x is all numbers. No matter what we stick in for x, 12 will always equal 12. All right, number 14. Jump this in. We get 9n plus 48 equals 7n minus 2n plus 4. Ooh, so that's really 5n right there. So subtract 5n to get both of these on the same side. We have 4n plus 48 equals 4. Subtract 48 from both sides, and we get 4n equals negative 44. Divide by 4, and we get n equals negative 11. Number 15. 7x plus 18 equals, now be sure to jump that in. We get 9x minus 27. Get the x's together. I'm going to subtract 7x over here. Divide by, no, add 8 over here. Oh, that's an 18. I wrote that down wrong. Good deal. Add 27 over here and we get 45 equals 2x. Divide by 2 and we get x equals 45 halves, which is 22.5. Number 16. 45 is what percent of 39? Divide both sides by 39 and we get x equals 45 divided by 39, 1.154. If we move it 2 decimal places, that's 115.4%, depending on where you wanted to round. Number 17, 25 is 44% of what? Notice we wrote this as 0.44. Divide both sides by 0.44, and we get x equals 56.8. If you want to round further out, you could do 56.82. What is 59% of 2,340? Take 0.59 times 2340, and we get 1380.6. Good. Number 19. What is 83%, that's 0.83, of 79? We don't have to solve it all, just times those two together. 0.83 times 79 equals 65 0.6. We could go out another one. 5.7. That's good. Number 20. We don't know what the original price is. We don't have it, but we knew that we took 5% of that original price and added it. So we took 5% of the original price and added it to the original price to equal the final. So that gives us 1.05p, combining those two together, equals 359.50. Now, just divide by 1.05, divide by 1.05, and we get the original price was $342 and 0.38. So 342.38. Round to the nearest penny on that one. Okay, here we have the original price. Oh, that's nice. We don't even need any algebra. We've got the original price right there. So we take and times that, 55.5 times 0.2, and we end up with 11.1. There's your discount, and if we take $11.10 and subtract it from the 55, notice we're subtracting as a discount, so subtract it, 55.5 minus 11.1, that gives us 44.40 as a final price. Good. Number 22, if the population of a town grew 11% up to 17,046, this is the final growth. I mean, that's the final amount that we have after the growth. What was the population last year? Let's put P for the variable. The population grew, so it's going to be the original population plus something, and it grew 11%, so that's 0.11 of that population to get 17,046. So add those together and we get 1.11p equals 17,046. And then divide both sides by 1.11. Divide by 1.11 and we get p is equal to, round to the nearest person, 15,357. Number 23, if the price of an object dropped 15%, so that means the price, P, went down 15% of the P, down to 62.90. Then we get P minus 0.15p, that's 0.85p, equals 62.90. Divide by 0.85, divide by 0.85, and the original price, oh, hey, that came out all right, $74. Good.